Here we're taking a look at the newer LED front and back phone light. Now it's designed for selfies. As you can see just there, so you can turn it on by pressing a button there and it comes on. Now it's got 60 LED lights built into this and 2000 milliamp rechargeable battery. Now as you can see, there's the lights coming on there. They're the bright white lights coming on at the moment. As you can see, now you can change them just by pressing that button too. So you can start with turn it up and turn it down. So increase, decreases the light mode. It's got CRI of 95 plus and 3 light modes. So there's a yellow and white that you can see. They give more balanced view. There's just the pure white and just the pure yellow, and the yellow and white combined again too. So you can do different types depending on your face color. But as you can see, it's very, very bright. It's fully rechargeable. It can fit on your computer, fit on your phone. It gives you 10% increments in brightness as well. So 60 high quality SMD LEDs really do provide a lot of light. It's amazing, very light, and there's a clip you can use to plug it onto your phone or your computer.